What's going on, fellas? We're here in Razinga. We're doing Jason Ross's Brock Boeser trilogy Razz. So we're gonna go with 3 randoms today, and the person on top will win. So we're gonna go on down here and get our first timestamp. It is 10:45. It's 10:45 here in Denver. As you can see, I'm gonna go grab a fresh list. We got Dale on top and Dale on the bottom. I guess we only got Dale and Cody. So, Dale and Cody, good luck. One of you are going to like me, and one of you is not going to like me. So, Dale on top, Dale on the bottom. No spaces in between. We're going 3 times. 1, 2. Grab our first timestamp. And that is in at 10:46. It's 10:46. Third and final random. Cody, spot 2. Congratulations, Cody. $10.47. It is 10:47 again. 3 times. Cody, spot 2. Congratulations.